Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can just enable one hand mode if you are not using two hands. If you want to want to use it like this and you are unable to reach there and want to enable one hand mode, how you can just enable it. Before proceeding the video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like the video for more videos. So let's start. First you have to just go to the settings option in your smartphone. Then you can search in the search bar, or you can scroll down. You can see there is a additional settings, and just you can see there is a one hand mode. Swipe down, you can see there is a one hand mode. Click on it and you can see it is a preview of how you can just enable this setting. With this setting you need to change the buttons to the gestures like this, and this will appear this line, and how you can just swipe back. You can swipe back like this, and just enable this option, and now it is done. You can use like this.